almost becoming optical illusions. So, shape, colour and the natural world are really the themes here. Canto of the Counteracting Möbius Strip. On a sacred night, insects clash with glass. The heat is demonic. Today, wandering out where yesterday I lost a split second or a minute, no recollections, I saw a snake dart out and then back into Mullabolge, a granite escarpment by the lavender bush, by a granite can where 3 dead jam trees coil into each other, one of the most intensely alive places on the block. Disturbing shadows of bung-arrow shot across sinews of stubble, paused in the skeletal shade of a lucerne tree. It watched me, suspending its flightiness. I see it better now, at night, sweat running me dry fluorescent triangles, trying to form circles as I keep notes, calculate the day, ensuring it adds up or comes close, like the snake appearing and disappearing, cancelling out its appearance in bung-arrow stop time. My loss from the previous day, haunting glass I hear, but don't see. So you'll see in that poem written, thank you, 15 years ago or whatever, the shape motifs and